Hello there. Today we are tackling a common challenge in gardening, that is weed removal. But fear not, because we have a fantastic solution to share with you. Welcome to MG Factor. I have been using this product. It's a very well-known brand and can be found across various garden centers and hardware stores. You can find it on Amazon too. I purchased it from my local Home Depot store. Preen works as pre-emergent, so it is recommended to use it in early spring when the temperature is correct for the seeds to start germinating. If you see here, these are the weeds from my previous season. Let's start by talking about what makes Preen so effective. Unlike traditional weed killers that target existing weeds, Preen works as a pre-emergent herbicide. This means it prevents wheat from sprouting in the first place, saving your time and effort in long run. However, please note it does not kill existing weeds. It just prevents new weeds from growing. Now let's see the application part of Preen. Firstly, begin by removing any existing weeds. Clean up the soil area and simply sprinkle the granules evenly over the soil in your garden beds. Be sure to follow the instruction on the package for proper application rates based on the size of your garden. Once applied, use a rake to work the granules into the top layer. One of the great things about Preen is that it targets a wide variety of weeds, including crabgrass, dandelions, and chickweed, among others. Plus, it's safe to use around established plants, so you can protect your garden without harming your prized flowers and vegetables. For best results, apply Preen Weed Preventer in early spring before weed seeds germinate. Reapply every 8 to 12 weeks throughout the growing season for continuous protection. And remember, always read and follow the label instructions for safe and effective use. Next, lightly water the area to activate the product. You can check the weather report for expected rain and can apply just a day before. This will save you some time and effort. Do not apply on wet ground and plants, as the granules will stick and will damage the plant. Some of the precautions. Be mindful. Preen is highly toxic, so be careful if you live near a stream or other water source. Also, keep the pets and kids away from the area. Be sure to follow the instruction on the package for proper application rates based on the size of your garden. So there you have it, folks. Preen Weed Preventer is the ultimate solution for hassle-free weed control in your garden. Thanks for watching. And be sure to like, share and subscribe for more similar tips and tricks. Happy gardening. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.